Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to buy pre-sale ticket in Ticketmaster. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, first of all you need to do is simply tap open your Ticketmaster app. So once you tap it open, you will need to now simply get signed up or signed in into your account. So once you're signed in, you need to simply get signed in into your mailing address in different kind of events, concerts or performance also. So after doing this, you will receive different kind of offers for pre-sale. Simply click on the verification link that has been provided in your SMS. So once you tap on the link, you will now be redirected to the place where you can purchase your pre-sale tickets. So simply type in and you will be successful in buying your ticket in Ticketmasters during pre-sale. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.